Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got an update on my Tinkercad State project, so let's get cracking. First, friends, my website, HLModTech.com, built-in messaging. You can hit that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. But today what I want to show you is my 50 states sharing project. I want to get all 50 states shared with me. It's so simple. You just hit copy and tinker after you sign in with Google. I left you a little note that the share button is this guy up here. You can see that's where the note is. All you do is click on the state and change it to your state. Whatever state it is, you can share it back with me. If you want to tell me a little bit about it, you can fill in the note. You can tell me the city. And then if you see this tiny little star, if we do F for fit view, you can just use the arrow keys to nudge that to where you live. When you're done, hit share, ship it back to me, and I'll add you to the big map. Friends, check it out. We have Alaska. Today, Tinkercad designer TempleX shared Alaska with me. How cool is that? Friends, I'll remind you again, that link is on my website. I'll also put it in this video and this post. There are notes in here if you need steps. Of course, there's also a tutorial you can track down as well. Finally, friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.